This is Dave with Fry and Bacon Studios for another GameSalad Minute. Today I'm going to show you an often overlooked feature and something to learn and experiment with in GameSalad. Let's go ahead and open an actor I've got here and let's discuss what I'm talking about. If you come over here into the Attributes palette and you click on Graphics, you're going to notice a bunch of different options that you can do with your graphic. One of those that are often overlooked is the blending mode. If you're familiar with Photoshop or any kind of graphics editing program, you understand the basics of what blending modes mean. So we have 5 different blending modes here. We have normal, opaque, additive, screen, and multiply. Now I'm going to show you, we know that normal and opaque just make them solid. But I'm going to show you what additive, screen, and multiply can do just to tease your brain a little bit and give you a way to start thinking about how you could utilize this feature in creative and clever ways in your GameSalad project. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is these top 3 actors. And in these top 3 actors, I have their blend mode set to additive. And if you know anything about when you add colors, it actually changes the colors like a formula. So let's go ahead and take this green actor and drag it over the red one. And we see now that where they overlap, it's created the color yellow. Now let's go ahead and drag this blue actor over, and we see that when we add them together, we have the color pink. Now let's add all 3. And now we have white. And so this could be clever ways that you could use actors in line with your graphics to create clever things by using this function of adding colors. It'll take a little thought, but experiment it and figure out ways that this might be something you want to use. Now let's go ahead and let's look at this one actor here that I have called It's Set to the Screen attribute. So let's go ahead and drag that over an object we already have. And we'll see that we can actually see right through the object without actually changing the color of the object. Now you might be able to use this in a clever way to do a screen. And we can see that it's the same thing, and you have to make sure that you layer these things in certain ways to make them work. It depends on how they're ordered in the stack layer. Now this actor here, I have to go back and change something because it's going to disappear in a minute when I make its adjustment. So on this one here, this is kind of really cool. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do multiply, which means it's going to multiply with the background color and any other objects or colors it comes into contact with. Now we're going to see that it disappears. Now here's the cool thing. Let's move it over this actor. And look how it changes the white to yellow. Because that was the color of the actor, so it's going to enhance any white colors. So you can see this is invisible, and this might be a cool way to reveal things in the background. Or to change or highlight something without actually making an animation behavior or whatnot. So anyways, that's a couple of cool ways that you can use this blend mode and to give you some food for thought. Post on the forums if you come up with any clever ideas for using this and how you might have used it in your project, and it'll help us all find out some new ways of using GameSalad. With another GameSalad Minute, this is Dave with Fry and Bacon Studios. I'll see you in the next video.